Kakababa lang natin from Litalit Peak, part of the Batangan mountain. Just to recap it all for the second day, what we did was, we started at around 8:15 a.m. Tapos, isang oras naglakad papunta dun sa drop off, hindi jump off, drop off kasi bababa kami papunta sa Crying Mountains. So after that 1 hour, siguro another 30 minutes to 1 hour, bumaba kami, nagpicture-picture, nag-lunch na rin. Isang exciting part, naligo kami sa ilog. And we got to experience, not just pass through this beautiful scenery, but to experience the cold, the warmth, the beauty, the dangers, the fears, and being redeemed in the end. Okay, all glory to God. So, that's what happened for today. Nakarating kami ng Batangan Elementary School at mga 12:30. Ako yon, pacing ko yon. I took all the pictures that I could. I took all the videos that I could. Just to remember this moment by. So there's a possibility that I won't be able to do this again, possibly, because of age, time, priorities, and restrictions. But somehow, since we're doing it right now, we're trying to make the most out of it and take all the videos and photos, take a bath in every spring, river, brook, falls that we get across. Lumayo na ako. So, mga 12:30 nasa Batangan kami. Had our lunch there. Stayed for around an hour. Umalis ako ng 1:30, alam ko 1:30. Tapos 2:15, nandun na kami sa Litalit Peak, yung kanina. 2:15, picture ako, another 15 minutes siguro dun sa peak. I descended 2:30 p.m. and after descending at 2:30 p.m., nakarating ako rito ng mga alas 5. So, 2 kalahating oras talaga siya. Yun yung nasa itinerary. Medyo relax pa yon kasi sabi ko nga, I took my time to be humble. Other than being humble,